Now we know that there are 4 different kinds of deoxynucleotides in DNA, and each one varies in this region here. These colored variable regions are what we call the nitrogenous base. It's called a nitrogenous base because it contains an element from the periodic table called nitrogen. That's what the N represents right here in each of these structures. The reason there are 4 different types of deoxynucleotides is because there are 4 different types of nitrogenous bases. The 4 different chemical structures for nitrogenous bases in DNA are adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Sometimes we note the names of these nitrogenous bases, or bases, in shorthand by using one-letter abbreviations. A for adenine, T for thymine, G for guanine, and C for cytosine. Now if we go back up to our strand of DNA and we replace the nitrogenous base, the chemical structure, with the letter that represents each base, we get a very different looking model that's much easier for your eyes to distinguish which type of deoxynucleotide is in each position of the DNA. So now take this new single strand of DNA that has a different sequence or order of deoxynucleotides. See if you can look at this chemical structure of the nitrogenous bases in the single strand of DNA and write the order of the bases in this text box here. Obviously, you can use the key here at the bottom of the screen to see which chemical structure corresponds with which letter. When you think you know the right answer, go ahead and put the sequence of letters here in the text box all together with no spaces in between the letters.